You know, I'm always going to brag about those Callaways because whether you're buying or selling a home, they're the only people you should be calling because they are going to make this whole process so painless for you. So definitely pick up the phone and call them. But we also have Joe Coleman with us today to tell us about a fantastic home.
Yes, it's a wonderful home, 2,284 square feet. It's got preferred north-south exposure in Thunderbird Desert Estates.
Oh, nice.
Block construction, plantain shutters on the windows, laundry with sink and storage, built-in microwave, hardwood cabinets, plantation shutters, custom walk-in closet and sitting area in the master suite.
There's tons of stuff there. Okay, and for something like that in that area, what are we looking at for a price though?
The list price is $550,000.
That's it? Okay, obviously for something, a home like this, it sounds beautiful, it's gonna probably go quick. So if it does happen to go too quick, they can call you and you can kind of help them get into anything that they need.
Oh yeah, we have a large inventory in the area but can help them find anything valley-wide.
All right, well, like I'm always telling everybody, they need to first of all check this one out, but if not, you're going to get them in the right home.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Oh, thank you.